are going to learn how to make cute bead earrings like this one. So let me tell you the materials required. First we will be needing headpins, hook, cutter. We use this for cutting the headpin. Flat nose plier. We use this for tightening the loop. Round nose plier. We use this for bending the loop. Then we will be needing beads. You can use any beads. Today I am going to use heart beads like this one. We will be needing smaller beads than the big ones we took. So now let us get started and make our cute bead earrings. So first we will take the headpin and put the bigger bead in the bottom. Now let us take the cutter and cut the headpin a little bit. Now take the round nose plier and catch. Leave 1 centimeter approximately. Then catch with your thumb finger in the bottom and the index finger and middle finger in the top. And make a right angle 90 degree. Make a bend it to the right. It should be a 90 angle one. Okay. Now I have bent it. Okay. Now next I'm going to take the round nose plier itself and cut the end of the headpin and make a loop. Don't close your loop. Okay, now I have not closed my loop. Now we are going to do the last step. Put the earrings. Then we are going to pull the loops end to the near the beads. And for tight securing, take the flat nose plier and tighten it. Now a cute little bead earring is ready.